morning students. In last lecture we already discussed the process of manufacturing of vinyl chloride from acetylene HCl reaction. Today we are going to discuss vinyl chloride production by thermal pyrolysis of ethylene dichloride. Okay, so the basic raw material is for vinyl chloride by EDC thermal pyrolysis. So the basic raw material ethylene dichloride, heating steam, catalyst, cooling water, electricity, and last catalyst, that is charcoal or humus. Chemical reaction is EDC CH2Cl dash CH2Cl gives at 400 atm pressure and 500 degree Celsius. It gives CH2Cl double bond CHCl plus HCl is produced. Okay, so now we are going to discuss, Cl is not there, CH2 double bond CHCl plus HCl. This is your vinyl chloride, which is stabilized and sent to a storage section. So now let's discuss the flow diagram. Okay, so first EDC C2H4Cl2. This is heated by steam and this vapor is sent to dryer. So and the vapor of EDC is sent to the tubular cracking unit. This is tubular pyrolysis. Cracking. In here it is externally flue gas fired and the temperature in this is around 480 degrees Celsius to 520 degrees Celsius and around 4 atms pressure. So first EDC is formed in the form of vapor and then dried by silica gel and sent to a tubular pyrolysis cracking unit. In this unit, the temperature around is 480 to 520 degrees Celsius and pressure is 4 atms. Catalyst is used is charcoal and or humus. Here the conversion per pass is 50% and the yield is 95 to 96%. Okay. Now from this it is sent to a quencher. Okay. From ethylene dichloride quench is provided, and from this quench we removed HCl. Okay. After that it is sent to a vinyl steel. Vinyl steel, from where? From the top. Vinyl chloride monomer is taken from overhead, and ethylene dichloride, which is recycled, and some of the EDC recycled and quenched in a quencher. Okay, here we product from top, this is vinyl chloride moreover, and from the bottom of the vinyl steel we got EDC. Okay, this is the basic. Just condition is in the reaction. So the mainly 4 atm and 500 degree Celsius. Okay, this is the basic process. Main raw material is ethylene dichloride. We have to pyrolysis the material. Okay, after pyrolyze we got vinyl chloride, and this is the purification process. Okay, now major engineering problems. Major engineering problems, that is, first, the conversion per pass is 50%, so there be a carbon formation. First. Second one is corrosion problem, because HCl is a corrosive in nature. Okay, so this, and here we have to use stabilizer to stabilize vinyl chloride as monomers. So stabilization is also a problem. Okay, and last one is polymerization, that is due to catalyst. Okay, these are the basic problems of these flow sheets. Okay, got it? So this is the end of the vinyl chloride by EDC thermal pyrolysis. You just have to remember the conditions, conversion, yield and catalyst. This is used for better surface. Okay, thank you.